Never mess with a woman who knows math, physics, and chemistry because next, she'll take out an enemy company using just an accident. The woman grabbed a bottle of ether and a box of sugar cubes from the office. When the enemy soldiers weren't looking, she used 3 sugar cubes to jam the operating room door. Then she picked up a stand, propping one end of it against the window. After that, she went to the hallway, turned a wooden crate filled with alcohol around, and placed a utility cart opposite the crate. This way, only one person could pass through the hallway at a time. Next, the woman entered the treatment room and saw a doctor about to pour distilled water into a pressure cooker to sterilize needles. The doctor was extremely nearsighted. When he opened the pressure cooker, the steam fogged up his glasses. Seizing the chance, the woman handed him the bottle of ether. The doctor poured it in without a second thought, and the woman took the distilled water away. She then went to the wall, tipped over the distilled water she'd just taken, and the water flowed along the floor straight toward the sugar cubes holding the door. Meanwhile, the ether in the treatment room slowly began to evaporate. The enemy's wounded soldiers started swaying and staggering. The woman walked over to an emergency oil lamp next to the power distribution box and pulled out the pin on the lamp. She then opened the distribution box and flipped the main switch, plunging the hospital into total darkness instantly. She also doused all the fuse switches with water. The enemy officer ordered his men to check the cause of the power outage.